Hello and welcome to the video for Friday, April the 31st. This is going to be for 4th grade and covering our lesson working with customary units of length. And so to begin with, I'm not going to worry as much about this part, but we can use it to kind of practice something. So what they wanted us to kind of take a look at is that there are 12 inches in a foot. And so if we were to cut all these tiles and place them end to end, then we would have 12 inches that would give us the length of 1 foot. And so what we would come out with at the bottom is that 1 foot is going to be 12 times as long as 1 inch. So that was the part that they wanted you to kind of take a look at with that. Again, I'm not going to take the time. I don't even have the way to demonstrate cutting it out. Let's go on to this part. So this is going to be the part that you're going to want to know. The number of inches in a foot, the number of feet in a yard, and the number of inches in a yard, as we are going to use all 3 of those throughout this lesson. So to start with, for number 1, we can go out here to the side and see that there are going to be 3 feet in a yard. So if I did my model here, we would have 1 foot here, 1 foot here, 1 foot here. All 3 of those together gives us 1 yard. So a yard is 3 times as long as 1 foot. And then, so if I know I can multiply the number of yards by 3 to get my number of feet, for number 3, I can do 3 times 3, and that will give us 9 feet. Number 5, we can do the same thing. And for number 7, we can take our number of feet and multiply it by 12 inches. So I want you to go ahead and look at both of those. And if you need to pause the video to do that, go ahead and do that real quick. And so number 5 is going to give us 4 times 3. That's going to give us 12 feet. And then 7 times 12 is going to give us 84 inches. Number 9, if we are comparing 2 yards to 6 feet, I can start by making them both measurements in feet. And so I can do 2 yards times 3 feet, and that would give us exactly 6 feet on this side, 6 feet on this side. That is going to be equal. So that is all that we're working with for the lesson portion. As we go into the homework, again, you're going to want to keep this part handy as we work through our conversions. So we're working on 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And on number 12, you are going to be doing a comparison. So you're going to need to figure out how many feet there are in 2 yards and compare that to 5 feet for number 12. And then the rest of it is just a matter of doing conversions. So once we go from inches to yards, we can actually go from yards to feet first and then multiply to get the number of inches, or you can use this bottom portion here where 1 yard is worth 36 inches. So those are your options. For the homework, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in Google Classroom. Again, this is kind of a shorter lesson because we're just working on unit conversions. So the homework will probably not take very long to do either, but that will be another video that will be coming out Friday evening. So hope you have a great day, and I will either see you in the next video or I will see you on Monday.